Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel of Ryzel. Today we are going to discuss about Sketch Meta Demo Lab. It is used for creating animations from your handmade drawings. You can simply click the image of your drawings and from here you can create animations. First you will go to sketch.metademolab.com. This screen will appear in front of you. Now click on get started. From here you can upload the image of your drawing. Click on upload. I've already downloaded some photos, so I will pick one of them. Let's take this one. This one seems good. It will be uploaded here. Click on next. It will take some time to scan. From here you can actually crop the photo like which part you want. You can simply adjust it and click on next. It will scan it again, and from here you can erase and select the areas. Like if you want to select the background, so you can simply click on this pencil icon and drag here. This area will also will be selected. Now click on eraser to erase it. So our image is already in perfect condition. Click on next and this will appear. From here you can actually these pins, you can move these pins to their exact location. Like this pin is for right eye, move it to the right eye. This pin is for left eye, move it to the left eye. This is the head center, I will move it here. And this is left ear, right ear, they're all good and they're right in the position. Left elbow, left wrist. It will set automatically, but just in case it is not in good position, you can set them according to according how you want it. Now it will take some time and will create all these animations. You can create all these animations on the left side. You can see this one. These are very good animated video of the drawing. Click on the full screen to download it. Click here and now go to these three options and click on download. Now you can see also by opening it. Let me show you from the start. Play it. See how you can create a beautiful animation by just this free tool. No ads, no payments, nothing. It's all free. So you can take any animation like this. This one is also seems good. See, you can create funny animations of the drawings easily from here. You can also change dance, funny, jumping, walking, any animation you want. Just click on it, it will load it and you can download it. Let's try some another drawing. Let's choose this one and click on next. It will scan. Click on agree. Crop the photo according to the need and click on next, and it's already good. Click on next and pinpoint the locations. Everything is good. Right eye, left shoulder, a little bit ankles should go up, and now it seems good. Click on next, and here all animation. See, it's kind of funny and it's very creative and a very handy tool to create animations of the drawings if you need them. You can also sell these services on Fiverr. And here you can see all the animations. There are tons of animations. You can create a beautiful animation. She's dancing, like your drawing on the paper is now dancing on the screen. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe and share. Thank you very much. That's all for today. Goodbye.